Congressman Joe Sestak is recognized as one of the most strongest and vocal supporters of healthcare reform, and he knows that makes him a target for critics. But this evening, the congressman says he will face those critics head on because he believes the country is better off with healthcare reform.
This bill is good for Americans.
Congressman Joe Sestak has yet to really experience the wrath of being inside a cramped room with angry people voicing their opposition to healthcare reform. But this evening, that may change as he prepares to attend a town hall meeting at this Philadelphia church.
We have to explain to them this is needed for your pocketbook.
Sestak voted for the healthcare bill, and at the meeting he plans to explain why, with the understanding he could face a harsh hounding.
I think on the whole that this is a legitimate process, and we need to be out there addressing it as leaders.
But Sestak's opponent, Senator Arlen Specter, stood on the receiving end of loud shouting and stiff finger-pointing Tuesday.
We cannot afford this, period. Keep the government out of it. We're doing just fine.
Specter hosted this town hall meeting in Lebanon, and almost everyone inside the room was against healthcare reform.
It's not worth considering. It's not worth modifying. It's not worth amending. It needs to be dumped.
Specter did his best to calm fears and clear up any misconceptions, like the claim the healthcare bill would not cover senior citizens who get cancer.
Nobody 74 is going to be written off because they have cancer. That's a vicious, malicious, untrue rumor.
Two lawmakers in the hot seat discussing one proposed bill that's causing so much loud and personal debate.
And the town hall meeting with Congressman Joe Sestak will be held at the Broad Street Ministry. The address is 315 South Broad Street, and the meeting begins at 6:30 this evening. We're live in the Satellite Center. Drake Clark, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.